quick one. For every one you do, one less. Every day is a Monday. Remember that. Good afternoon. Pile's gone. It is about 1 o'clock, Tom? About 1ish. So it's not too bad. Youngblood thought it were going to take all day. Nah, 4 hours. So we needed 9 o'clock to 1 o'clock. So now, I did a video this morning of moving this. I don't know whether we're going to put it on or not, to be fair. But it was a shit house trying to get that moved. So I'm down in the hole and we are going to fill it up with the spoil from over there. It needs to go down about 400 mil. That's going to come in here. And then whatever's left outside sort of thing. It does feel like quite a decent hole. But I'm freezing. They're running around in sun. I'm just sat still. Bloody cold. But yeah, same old crap. Moving 20 tonne of stone. Now moving 5 to 10 tonne of spoil into the hole. Happy Friday. Hardest day of the week. So, I'll catch you soon. Right, fast forward 2 hours. Didn't film all then, don't know why. This is filled up. We have got left 100 mil, 140 mil, are they 140 blocks? 140 mil underneath the top block, and then it's got another 100 mil of soil on the top. So 240 mil of soil going on here. Now you can see it. This is where the stairs are going to go, or the steps are going to go up, which we will be farming from Wednesday next week. Just got a little job to do, finish off Monday and Tuesday next week. But here where Ginger and Tom is, that's come down 300, 400 mil, quite a lot actually, to be fair. So we've filled that in, and then they've just battered some up front as well. And then we've left a, sorry, I'm just getting emails, only just getting a signal just in this spot. Left a ramp in, and then we've left the old stairs in. I'm going to sneeze, hang on a minute. Bless me. Sorry. They're getting left out when this wall is getting extended and then returning back. We'll get digger inch for one day, check them out later on. But yeah, all good in the hood. And tomorrow morning I'm coming in, digger's getting collected, but I'm just gonna tinker around in this corner. Well, digger's getting, well, I'm waiting for digger man. But yeah, that should leave the customer now to look over this weekend and go, oh, let's just have this here, that here, less turf here, more turf there, however. So I hope everyone has a good weekend, and I'll see you tomorrow. In fact, I'll do a bit of recording tomorrow. See you in the morning, 8 o'clock sharp.